Hey guys, this is Uday Kathik. It's me back after a long time. But hereafter there will be video regularly coming up on our channel. If you do not subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. In upcoming days there will be more tutorial videos. If you have any queries, please leave a comment in comment section or please ping me on Discord, which link is in the description or in the tag section. In this video, we are going to see how to get started with Unity. We can become a game developer by using Unity or Unreal Engine, but using Unity Engine is the getting started method. So if you want to become a game developer, you have to learn about basic things of Unity. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Unity editor. For installing the Unity editor, we need to install a hub named Unity Hub, which organizes our game projects and etc. Now open your Chrome browser and search for Unity Hub. Now click on the first option and click on download for Windows. Now it will start downloading it. Now double click the setup file and install it according to your configurations. Here you have to click on I agree the terms and conditions and choose your location for installing file and click install. But I have already installed the Unity Hub, so I am skipping this step. After installed Unity Hub, just open your Unity Hub. The Unity Hub looks exactly like this. Here the project tab shows your project names are files created in Unity. Here install shows various Unity versions you have to be installed to working with on Unity or the project you want to be in. But it is recommended to install the latest LTS version, which gives long-term support and there will be proper documentation if you get any errors. So keep in mind to install LTS version of Unity. Don't install beta version, alpha version. Just install LTS version. If you want to install a Unity editor, click on install editor and select upon the LTS version and click install. But if you want to install the previous old dated version, click on the archive and click on download archive. It will open a Chrome browser where you can select a various Unity version with the LTS support. Back in Unity Hub, here I just clicking a demo to how to install a Unity editor. Here I click on the recommended version, install. Here you need to select Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2019 if you are using Micro Studio 2019. Otherwise, this is not recommended for you. And click Android build support, open JDK and Android SDK support. And click on documentation. If you require documentation, you can click it and install. Otherwise, you need not to be installed. And click continue. Here select the terms and conditions and click continue to install. I have already installed the sufficient version of Unity for me, so I am skipping this method. Here the learn column shows. Here in the learn Unity will recommend us to learn Unity on their documentation methods. Here there will be so various documentations where you can select and view on your own if you want to learn this. Here the community tab shows various things that the Unity has. Here the Unity asset store where you can download assets, project files, etc. for your Unity. Here the Unity blog where Unity write a blog about what the new things are updated in Unity, etc. Here the answers where you can find for error solving and you can ask doubts in forums and etc. Here the download tab shows if you're downloading a Unity version, it will show a download tab here. After installing Unity Hub, you have to be activated license. If I already had activated license, you need not to be worried about it. But if it is not, you have to activate a license. For this, you need to click on the settings button and click on license, click on add license. Here you have to click a free personal license. If you are a normal beginner developer, you need not to be pay for Unity because you are self learning. Get a free personal license and click on agree and personal license and it will be activated for you. If you want to change the location of the install, you can click on installs and change your locations. That's it for Unity Hub. If you want to create a project, in Unity, you have to click on new project. This will shows all the templates. Here you can select 2D, 3D, AR, anything you wanted to be create. First, I am creating a simple 2D project. In the right hand side, you can select your project name. Here I am giving it a test project. After, you can change the project directory locations by clicking here and select your location file. Now simply click on create project. It will start to create a project. If you want to learn new game developing things, please consider to subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Share my YouTube channel to your friends who wanted to learn game development. In upcoming days, there will be more tutorial coming right up. If you want any tutorial specifically, ping in the comment section. I will try to make that tutorial as soon as possible. Here you have assets where you store game files, objects, etc. If you want to create a script in C#, just click on the assets, right click and create, and you can create a C# script and the materials, whatever you need to be work on with the Unity. Here the packages shows the current installed packages in Unity. The hierarchy shows the sample scene. Here you can right click to create an empty game object 2D sprite. For a demo, I am creating a 2D object named square. Here the Unity creates a square for us. If you double click it, it will display it. But if you want to show it in a game scene, we need a camera. This is the camera that Unity have created for us. Here you can view its values, positions and rotation scales in the inspector game tab. You may see the game object we have. If you don't have game in your, you can access it by simply clicking Windows. If you don't have game scene like this, you just need to click on Windows, General and click on Game. Now you may have a game scene. Here, if you want to, in next video I will show how to install Visual Studio 2019 and link it with the Unity to further working on. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have any queries, please ping me in the comment section and share my YouTube channel to your friends who wanted to learn game development. See you later in next video.